Namaskara. This is Vasudha Tirtharam inviting you all to Krishna Leela Vaibhava. If you are looking for a weekend show that is entertaining, then Krishna Leela Vaibhava, curated by Sri Jayashekhar LA of LA Entertainments, is just the right choice. It has music, it has dance, and it has some renowned artists performing for you. It's happening at the Prestige Center for Performing Arts on the 2nd of August at 5:30 p.m. sharp. Entertainment can't get any better. ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಕೊಳಲಿನ ಕರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ತಾನೆ? ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದೇರ್.